Hi guys, and welcome to my garden. In this video, I share with you 3 important tips that would help protect your skin while gardening. They are very simple yet often ignored habits. Sometimes gardeners jump into work without planning, thinking that a task may take several seconds, only to find themselves entangled in other tasks for hours. And I come back exhausted, sunburned, or even with skin issues. So my first advice would be to always put on socks and gloves for both skincare and sanitary reasons. You want to avoid getting sand or dirt under your nails. That would also protect you from scratches and stings. There are all types of insects in the garden. So have your gear in an accessible place or inside the garden if that is possible. You can also get anti-scratch gloves or a garden specialized gear. 2. Avoid the heat. Try to do your work either in the early mornings or in the afternoon. Apply sunscreen and wear a sun hat. Consider yourself trying to get glammed up for the garden. There are many skin-friendly products that you can use. If you would like a recommendation for a face moisturizer, check the link above. I have a video review for a product that I have used before, and you may check that one. 3. Make time for an after garden shower. A simple cold water shower to freshen up and tighten the skin, or a hot shower to relax the muscles. If you have done some heavy work and you feel sore, make yourself a hot cup of tea and enjoy your time. If you have enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comments and share with us other tips you may find helpful.